Hi everyone, this is the Seiko Marine Master custom built Starbucks, and basically people also call it Kermit, homage to the Rolex submariner, the Hulk. It comes with a green bezel, ceramic bezel, black dial, and then 40 millimeters. For lux sizes, 20 millimeters. Screw down crown, unidirectional bezel. You can hear the clicking sound. .316L stainless steel case, same size as the submariner case. For the oyster bracelet, this one comes with oyster bracelet, 904L stainless steel. Yeah, for the lux size, because it's 20 millimeters, so it's perfect for if you want to change it to any strap. In terms of the movement, it comes with Seiko NH35 automatic movement, so you never need any battery. Screw down crown, you can just again pull it out to adjust the date. Let me show you, adjust the date, and then to adjust the time, you pull it all the way out, and then you just rotate it, and you can adjust the time. So yeah, sapphire crystal, very good quality build, as you can see. Shiny, some fingerprints, sorry about that. Yeah, so this is the Starbucks that people are crazy about. Black dial, green bezel. Comes with it also comes with the yeah, the locking clamp, so it's basically really safe. Yeah, and then it also comes with the easy link, so basically you can just pull it out, like pull this up, and then you can just adjust the bracelet easily, very easily. So you don't have to take off any bracelet for small adjustment. So there's the one, and then I can also try it on to show you guys what it is like on my wrist. 40 millimeter size. Looks amazing. Yeah, so if you like this watch, yeah, feel free to message me on Instagram. I will put my Instagram in my description. And yeah, if you haven't followed my channel about custom built watches, about my watch collection, right, feel free to click the subscribe button, and yeah, so you won't miss my new video. So yeah, thank you.